A broad risk-on session is underway, and the macro backdrop is worth understanding in detail. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. Here is your crypto market briefing for July 10th. Digital assets are never boring. Let us break down what is moving prices today. Here is how the major digital assets are trading today. Bitcoin climbed to $64,351, plus 1.83% on the day. Intraday range was $62,913 to $64,408. Ethereum climbed to $1,792.07, plus 2.73% on the day. Intraday range was $1,737.07 to $1,791.51. Solana edged higher to $79.17, plus 1.44% on the day. Intraday range was $77.86 to $79.31. Now let us look at what the macro environment means for crypto. Crypto sentiment is being driven by Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, Rumble's Bitcoin by what's moving markets. Crypto is tracking the broader risk-on tone in equities today. Equity markets are responding to reports that after the latest RE stock rally, investors face a reality check. Morningstar. Geopolitical risks remain elevated. The move follows reports that oil is back to pre-war levels. Here's a timeline of how the market weathered a historic supply shock. Business Insider. This is keeping traders cautious and supporting flows into defensive assets. Central bank policy is at the forefront of investor minds. Equity markets are responding to reports that Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, Rumble's Bitcoin by what's moving markets. Rate expectations remain a key driver for growth and technology stocks, which are highly sensitive to discount rate assumptions. On the data front, investor sentiment is being shaped by the stock market faces an earnings test it may not pass. Barron's. Let us give you our near-term analytical view on Bitcoin. The near-term technical picture for Bitcoin looks constructive. Watch the $66,925 level as the first meaningful resistance zone. A close above there on decent volume would be an encouraging sign for bulls. As always, this is analytical commentary, not financial advice. Remember that crypto remains a high-volatility asset class. Position sizing and risk management are critical, especially around macro events and on-chain data releases. Here is your market watchlist heading into the next session. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. Thousands of investors rely on our daily briefings to cut through the noise. If you are finding value here, please like this video and subscribe. It directly helps us keep producing this content every day. Leave a comment with your market view. We feature the sharpest takes in future videos. That is all from MTRS_Market Pulse for today. All analysis is for informational and educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always consult a qualified financial advisor. Trade safe, and we will see you in the next one. That is your crypto briefing from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe for daily digital asset coverage.